Hello, Mr. Shane. First, I would like to thank you for granting me the opportunity to present our strategic communication plan to you on behalf of our team today. As I will show you, our strategic communication plan not only supports the business objectives you made clear were important to our organization, but also reflects the realities of our stakeholders. We've taken your goals and created a roadmap leading to solutions and victories. It's important to note that the Strategic Communication Plan is a living, flexible document that is intended to be a high-level framework to address the communication issues ConsoE is facing. It is grounded in research and analysis, but will be continuously revisited to ensure we are reflecting our diverse stakeholders' perceptions. The advantage of using this strategic planning approach is to ensure we create a touchstone for which we can always ground ourselves. As a company, we are guided by our vision and mission statements. Our vision is to be the trusted nationwide leader in the production of industrial electrical equipment. Our mission is to proudly serve as the preferred resource for industrial electrical equipment that reflects our deep commitment to superior quality, innovative technological advancement, and exceptional environmental safety. We are wholeheartedly dedicated to operational excellence, financial strength, and customer loyalty. Our strategic communication plan is guided by these statements, and your strategic goal to increase ConsoE's national presence and increase sales to $1.75 billion over the next 12 months. We have to remember, though, that change can be quite difficult and frightening for employees at ConsoE, and many may feel threatened by these initiatives. This is why enthusiastic, positive communication is necessary. Our plan will inspire and persuade our employees and elicit the desired responses from our shareholders. Mr. Shane, last week you acknowledged yourself that ConsoE is at a crossroads. As our journey progresses, you need a communication plan that can mitigate and motivate. Mitigate the fear of our aggressive goals and motivate our diverse group of employees to unite. Let's start by taking a look at the primary stakeholders. We've identified that our stakeholders include both existing employees and employees from our acquisitions. Now, we found it necessary to isolate the two groups because the notion that acquired employees felt distance from ConsoE surfaced during our research. A division exists suggesting they may not share the same experiences. Additionally, we have our shareholders, investors, customers, regulatory agencies, the media, Wall Street, our competitors, the City of Los Angeles, the City of Denver, as well as the Los Angeles community and the Denver community. Based on the needs of these constituencies, here is a high-level overview of the goals we have developed. We start by increasing your presence throughout the organization and restoring employees' confidence in the company. Mr. Shane, you are confident in your course of action. We can feel that. That's why we are going to get you out in front of your employees more so that they can feel it too. Part of that excitement includes the move to Denver, a point that we want to remain sensitive about while simultaneously engaging in efforts to appeal to families who may be faced with relocation. Then we improve and encourage two-way communication. In doing so, we begin to refine the organizational awareness of the ConsoE vision and mission, which consequently will foster stronger employee relations and engagement. Then we move on to increasing shareholder awareness of organizational and strategic business objectives, followed by attracting new investors to ConsoE and developing stronger customer relationships. We will heighten customer awareness as a result of an evolutionary branding campaign and entice key civic leaders in Denver to serve on ConsoE's existing advisory board. All the while, we are establishing relationships with key community leaders in Denver. Part of this planning process is determining who we must collaborate with. In order to develop a comprehensive budget for these strategies and tactics, I propose we schedule a budget planning meeting once you've had the opportunity to review the full plan with the entire executive team. Mr. Shane, we recognize that you have been nimble in acquiring companies that can fulfill ConsoE's needs, which is why our communication plan is nimble as well. The objectives I've laid out will not only supplement and strengthen your efforts, but allow our business goals to be met. We have copies of the full plan here for you to review at your convenience. Just remember this larger plan is a living, evolving document that we have created to adapt in response to environmental and stakeholder realities. We will continue to monitor and assess our plan as we go forward. making adjustments accordingly while keeping clear sight of the company vision and mission that is Console E. Mr. Shane, again, thank you so much for your time, and we truly look forward to hearing your feedback.